No question about it. We've got a couple of more really hot days before we can get some minor relief to track our direction. Before we look ahead, I want to look backwards. This was shot last night. Julie in Clarksville, Julie Sanborn, was taking a video of what she thought was just some lightning in that thunderstorm. She caught something so much more. Check this out. Meteor captured on film on top of that thunderstorm. Here it comes, top of the screen right there. Pretty neat stuff right there. You think you're taking a video of one thing and you get something so much more than that. Julie, thank you so much for sharing that with us here at 5 News. Here's 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Mostly clear skies out there. It's warm, it's sunny, and it only gets worse from there. It's going to get hot and just uncomfortable by the middle part of the afternoon. At best, we've got another 20% chance of a couple of spotty showers. Much like the last several days, they're few and far between. If you get one, you're lucky, and you should consider yourself lucky. A lot of us need a little bit of rain. Not going to get much out of it tomorrow, albeit one or two of these could produce some brief heavy downpours. Brief is the key word. They often rain themselves out relatively quickly. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. A lot of it's starting to fizzle out. A couple of these are going to linger through around sunset tomorrow evening, as they often do, and then they fizzle out. We'll see those skies clear out going into Tuesday. High temperatures tomorrow are going to be just downright hot, much like today, if not a degree or two hotter in some locations. 97 Bentonville, Rogers through Huntsville, 98 Fayetteville, 102 between Fort Smith, Van Buren, Ozark, perhaps 101 Clarksville, Waldron, even in the triple digits. It's going to be a really hot day out there. These, of course, actual air temperatures. When you factor in all the humidity, we're likely to range anywhere from 105 to as high as 110 in the counties here in orange. That's the heat advisory. I know we don't have one for Washington, Madison, parts of northern Johnson, Adair County. Here's the thing. It's going to be hot out there, and you got to take care of yourself, whether you've got a heat alert or not. Just good old common sense. We do have a front coming our direction. It's going to start to move into the area late Tuesday night. We may see an uptick in a few showers out there, 30% Tuesday night. But as that front gets a little bit closer, really into Wednesday morning, we're going to bump up to 40% chance of rain, maybe some scattered thunderstorms, both northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. That front slowly continues pushing off towards the south. You can see those winds shifting back out of the north behind it. There comes that slightly cooler air mass. It ain't going to get cold. I don't even really want to call it meaningful relief, but we'll trade 98 for how about 89 on Thursday. It'll feel a little bit better out there. Humidity doesn't change much. It comes down to tad, but not much to really notice. We do start to warm things back up Friday and Saturday, but it looks like, and this is new this evening, looks like we get a second front to come in on Sunday. And some of the models are suggesting it may bring even more push of some cooler air, maybe a true taste of fall. I take a bit of a conservative approach, so I don't want to buy it just yet, but it is certainly something that has my attention. Yeah, this is going to feel better. This potentially, about a week from now, could feel nice. Hopefully that's the case. Some of the medium range data indicates that very well could be the case. We're drawing these below average temperatures for a good chunk of the upper Midwest. Some of that pushing down here where we are. Let's hope that pans out. This would be August 23rd through the 27th in that window. Out there right now in Rogers, it's 85 degrees, feels like 92. It's 90 Fort Smith, feels like 95 degrees. And here the time is 10:17 at night, and it still feels like 95 degrees. That front cannot get here quick enough. Until then, it's going to be steamy in the afternoon. Certainly in the morning, it's not going to feel much better. It's tough to beat the heat this time of year with these temperatures like this. Do notice, though, towards the end of that 10-day forecast, maybe, just maybe, we can have some highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. That's not all bad, is it? Again, I'm somewhat conservative on these numbers. It very well could be too high. We very well could see a better surge of some cool air. Let's hope that's the case. 10 days out, that's an eternity when it comes to weather forecasting around these parts. We'll keep you posted between now and then. Key takeaways, if you're going to be out and about tomorrow and Tuesday, take care of yourself. Lots of water, sunscreen, take breaks frequently if you're going to be doing hard work out there. Wednesday, that front comes through. Chance of rain and storms about 40%. Not a guarantee everyone sees those showers, but certainly some folks will, and they could produce some heavy downpours, frequent lightning and thunder.